Night driving is fun. Open roads, cool weather, less traffic, but only if you know how to stay safe. Over the last 5 years, I've mastered a few things that help me stay safe in a night drive and enjoy the drive. So before the drive, I make sure all the glasses I see through is crystal clear. I use a 3M windshield cleaner with a good microfiber. Even I try to clean the smallest smudge because at night it glass and disturb my visibility. And also I don't forget the ORVMs. To make it even better, I wear those yellow night vision driving glasses. I also pre-plan when should I start in a way that the city I leave and the city I reach has no traffic at all. So to drive the entire night, I make sure I'm well rested. So when my wife is busy deciding what to add to the overpack, I sleep. I usually aim for 20 minutes to 1 hour of sleep in the afternoon, or what works best for me is a 30-minute power nap just before the journey, because I always believe an active human brain is far better than an ADAS function. But sometimes when brain doesn't brain and wants rest, my speed becomes 0 km per hour for 20 to 30 minutes. And to keep my brain draining, I fuel it with an Americano from a Shell along with a full tank of petrol. I always try to reach the nearest Shell before 12 am before they close. After 1 am, it's really hard to wake up a fuel station worker. Trust me, they can sleep to 1000-watt speaker at a full blast. And on the road at night, God knows where these dividers are. So I always keep a good distance between vehicles. It gives me enough room to brake safely. Also, my favorite people on the road are these truck drivers. If I ever need a help on a highway, they are usually the first people I would ask. They are some of the nicest people you can meet on the road. I respect them big. And the worst drivers on the road at night are these omnibus drivers. I still respect them, but if I see one flashing at my mirror, I simply let them pass. They are running against time. The 5 minutes they say might be the only rest they get before heading back the next day morning. Also, if they are flashing behind me, they are doing well over 100 km per hour. I just give them the way. The same goes for the overspeeding cars as well. They are the worst. Wish I could race them on a track. Oh, that is this one habit from any of us that translated into real life is I always keep the Google map running, even on the roads I know well. Again, it helps me predict the traffic ahead, also have a faster detour suggestion, and before I take a detour, I stop the car to analyze it. Because once I ended up waiting for a ferry at 2 am in the morning just to read the sign that the ferry will start operating at 7 am. From that day on, I avoid every detour unless it's on a highway, and I plan my route before I start the journey. These are some of the things I do to be safe on the road at night, and I always carry a tire inflator, puncture repair kit, glass cleaners, microfiber cloths. They're always in the car. And according to my wife, I'll soon have a battery jump starter too. But it's already been 2 months that she said. Not sure about the battery jump starter, but definitely my next story is coming next week. Subscribe and stay tuned. शूट खत्म हो गया.